Last year, Honda showed us the new Hawk 11, a retro sports bike from the Africa Twin, destined only for the Japanese market. The bike is powered by a 1084cc forward-facing twin-cylinder engine, which already powers the Africa Twin, Rebel 1100 and 1100. Now, someone is imagining that the same engine could also be installed in a sporty Roadster with an 80s look, and this concept was designed by oberdan bezzi. It's a sporty Roadster with an 80s look. This motorbike is powered by a 84 big cc forward-facing two-cylinder engine, which already powers the Honda Africa Twin, Rebel 1100 and an 1100, and it is very likely that this motorbike is being considered for release in 2025. Oh, the designer claims that despite having two cylinders divided instead of four, the Nighthawk 1100 reminds us of its 750cc progenitor from 1984 in both shape and philosophy. It's a motorcycle that has a rather American flavor, suitable for sportsmen and cyclists waterfront motorbike, easy and friendly to use, but certainly not lacking in performance, thanks to its ultra-modern engine and traditional but well-calibrated chassis. In order to fulfill the most recent technological and performance requirements, the Nighthawk 1100, motorcycle icon for the past 10 years, will undergo a major overhaul that will be released in 2025. According to a number of reports, Honda may release it with a more potent engine while keeping the timeless style that has long been associated with the Nighthawk, in order for this motorcycle to be competitive in the market. However, keep in mind that all this information is still a rumor and has not yet received official confirmation from Honda. Launch plans, specifications, and mentioned features may change over time, so Honda Nighthawk fans are expected to stay tuned for an official announcement from the company.